The SpaceX Starship is a fully reusable spacecraft designed to transport humans and cargo to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. It stands at 50 meters tall and has a diameter of 9 meters, making it the largest spacecraft ever built. The goal of SpaceX is to make life multi-planetary. We want to create a future where humans can travel to other planets and make them habitable. The Starship is our key to achieving that goal. The Starship has 6 Raptor engines, each capable of producing over 200 tons of thrust. It also has a heat shield capable of withstanding the extreme temperatures of re-entry into Earth's atmosphere. The heat shield is made of a material called super heavy that can withstand temperatures of up to 1,650 degrees Celsius. This allows the spacecraft to re-enter Earth's atmosphere without being destroyed. The Starship's fins are not just for show. They provide aerodynamic stability during re-entry and landing, making it easier to control the spacecraft. The Starship can carry up to 100 people, making it ideal for transporting large groups of people to other planets. It can also carry up to 100 metric tons of cargo, making it perfect for delivering supplies to a colony on Mars or the Moon. The interior of the Starship is spacious and comfortable. It has a large common area where passengers can relax and socialize during the long journey to their destination. The Starship has advanced life support systems that recycle air and water, ensuring that the crew has a constant supply of oxygen and water. The flight deck is where the pilots and crew members control the spacecraft. It's equipped with advanced computer systems and interfaces to make it easy to navigate through space. The Starship is a revolutionary spacecraft that's changing the way we think about space travel. With its impressive capabilities, it's paving the way for humans to explore other planets and create a multi-planetary future. Space travel is challenging, and the journey to other planets will be a long and arduous one. Crew members must be physically and mentally prepared to handle the challenges that lie ahead. Training for a space mission involves rigorous physical preparation. Astronauts must maintain a high level of physical fitness to counteract the effects of zero gravity, such as muscle and bone loss. Astronauts must also follow a strict exercise regimen to maintain their physical health during the mission. This includes cardiovascular and resistance training, as well as stretching to maintain flexibility. Nutrition is also essential for maintaining the health of the crew. A balanced diet that provides adequate nutrients, vitamins, and minerals is essential to ensure that crew members remain healthy during the mission. The long-duration space mission can also take a toll on the mental health of the crew. Astronauts must be mentally prepared to handle the isolation and confinement of space travel, as well as the stresses that come with living and working in a small team. Astronauts will be trained to use coping mechanisms such as meditation, deep breathing, and visualization techniques to manage their mental health during the mission. The crew will also have access to a psychologist to help them manage their mental health and provide support during the mission. Despite the challenges, the experience of traveling to other planets is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that comes with many rewards. Crew members will have the chance to explore and discover new worlds, pushing the limits of human exploration and knowledge. One of the key challenges of long-duration space travel is the need to be self-sufficient when it comes to food. The SpaceX Starship will have onboard hydroponic gardens that use recycled water and LED lights to grow fresh fruits and vegetables for the crew. Water is another essential resource that the crew will need to be self-sufficient in. The Starship will have a water filtration system that will recycle wastewater and urine into clean drinking water for the crew. Oxygen is also critical for survival, and the Starship will use a system called the Sabatier process to recycle carbon dioxide from the air into breathable oxygen for the crew. In the event of an emergency, such as a breach in the hull, the Starship will have backup systems in place to ensure the crew's survival. For example, space suits will allow the crew to survive in the vacuum of space while repairs are made to the ship. The self-sustaining systems on the SpaceX Starship will be monitored by a team of technicians and engineers, who will ensure that everything is running smoothly and that the crew has everything they need to survive. Thanks to these innovative systems, the crew of the SpaceX Starship will be able to embark on long-duration space missions, traveling to distant planets and exploring the frontiers of human knowledge. One of the greatest challenges of exploring space is the sheer distance involved. Even with the speed of a SpaceX Starship, it can take months or even years to reach other planets or star systems. The crew of the Starship must undergo rigorous physical and mental training to prepare for the challenges of long-duration space travel. They must be able to cope with isolation, confinement, and the stress of living in a confined environment for extended periods. Despite the challenges, the rewards of exploring space are immense. The crew of the Starship will have the opportunity to make groundbreaking discoveries in fields such as astrophysics, geology, and biology, and to uncover new insights into the origins of the universe and life itself. The SpaceX Starship will enable us to explore the vast reaches of our solar system and beyond, and to search for signs of life on other planets. It will allow us to expand our knowledge of the universe and to push the boundaries of what is possible. In addition to scientific discoveries, the SpaceX Starship will also provide opportunities for technological innovation and commercial development. Space tourism, mining, and manufacturing are just a few of the industries that could benefit from the development of long-duration space travel. The challenges of exploring space on a SpaceX Starship are great, but so are the rewards. The crew will be part of a select group of individuals who have had the opportunity to venture beyond Earth's atmosphere and to explore the frontiers of human knowledge. AI is an essential part of life on the Starship. It serves as a personal assistant to the crew, helping them to manage their schedules, access information, and stay connected with their families and friends on Earth. In the event of a malfunction, the AI system can assist the crew in diagnosing and repairing the issue. It can also provide step-by-step instructions on how to fix the problem, ensuring that the crew can quickly resolve any issues that may arise. AI can also assist the crew with scientific research. It can analyze data from experiments and provide insights and recommendations to the crew, enabling them to make breakthrough discoveries and accelerate their research. AI is also essential for navigating the Starship through space. It can analyze the position of the Starship in relation to other celestial bodies and help the crew to plot a safe course to their destination. The role of artificial intelligence in supporting life on a SpaceX Starship is critical. It enables the crew to live and work safely in space, and to make groundbreaking discoveries that will advance our understanding of the universe. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and we'll see you on the next adventure.